Hi folks, when is the last time you had guilt-free pancakes? Yes. Well, today I'm going to discuss with you what you can make for prior to a workout or after a workout, or those of you who like to do late night snacks. I am the CEO and founder of Lang's Anti-Aging in Lake Mary, Florida, and today I'd like to discuss with you with one of my products in my natural pharmacy online. It is called Get Fit. It is a delicious vegetarian protein alternative for people who have allergies, high in allergies, who are vegan, or who just want to have a low carb diet. Get Fit is no artificial flavors, soy-free, dairy-free, hormonal-free, and gluten-free, and no antibiotics, no sugar, folks. So today what I'm going to do, you see my ingredients here. I have blueberries. If you choose to put them on at the end, you can mix we're gonna mix everything up in a blender today. You can mix half a banana in there if you would like, but today I like to start with putting 1 egg in, and there's some water in here already, and a scoop. It's a great blood sugar management as well. A scoop of our Get Fit. And sometimes I like to put a little bit of extra virgin olive oil in there. And I'm going to put my pan on the stove and blend it up. Well, folks, here we are. This is our Get Fit rice protein pancakes. A great pumpkin protein, rice, and pea, and without the guilt of having pancakes anymore. So great for before workouts, after workouts, and also just for those great late night snacks.